Many people say artificial intelligence is getting worse. They claim it used to give better answers, that it feels less accurate, less reliable than before. But here's the real issue. AI didn't suddenly get worse. What actually changed is how people use it. AI systems respond to structure. They rely on clarity, context, and intent. When instructions are vague, the results feel vague as well. This often creates the impression that AI is inconsistent, even though it is working exactly as designed. Another reason AI feels worse is rising expectations. As AI becomes more popular, people expect it to do more, faster, with less effort, and with almost no guidance. Many users treat AI like a mind reader. They give short instructions and expect perfect answers. When that doesn't happen, they assume the technology is failing. In reality, AI still behaves the same way. It generates responses based on the information it receives. If the input lacks clarity, the output reflects that. Small changes in wording, context, or structure can completely change the result. This is not a flaw. It is how AI systems work. AI is not a replacement for thinking. It is a support system. It helps organize ideas, summarize information, and explore possibilities. But it does not replace judgment, experience, or intent. When AI is used as a shortcut, results often disappoint. When it is used as a tool, results improve significantly. The problem isn't that AI is getting worse. The problem is expecting it to work without guidance. Understanding how AI works is the key to getting better results. If you want clear explanations without hype or confusion, you're in the right place.